A Nobel laureate, George Bernard Shaw was an Irish playwright who exerted an indomitable influence on Western culture, theatre and politics with his write-ups. His most famous play, Pygmalion, was even adapted to the big screen and for Broadway, eventually earning him an Academy Award. By then, George Bernard Shaw has already established himself as a literary giant. Here are the most inspiration thoughts by George Bernard Shaw. Lack of money is the root of all evil. Science never solves a problem without creating 10 more. It is dangerous to be sincere unless you are also stupid. Better keep yourself clean and bright. You are the window through which you must see the world. Do not try to live forever. You will not succeed. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. The worst sin towards our fellow creatures is not to hate them, but to be indifferent to them. That's the essence of inhumanity. Both optimists and pessimists contribute to society. The optimist invents the aeroplane, the pessimist the parachute. There is nothing more dangerous than the conscience of a bigot. The possibilities are numerous once we decide to act and not react. Success does not consist in never making mistakes but in never making the same one a second time. The most tragic thing in the world is a man of genius who is not a man of honor. A gentleman is one who puts more into the world than he takes out. Nothing is worth doing unless the consequences may be serious. War does not decide who is right but who is left. Most people do not pray, they only beg. People who say it cannot be done should not interrupt those who are doing it. Animals are my friends and I don't eat my friends. Man can climb to the highest summits, but he cannot dwell there long. Few people think more than 2 or 3 times a year. I have made an international reputation for myself by thinking once or twice a week. My reputation grows with every failure. It is the mark of a truly intelligent person to be moved by statistics. The things most people want to know about are usually none of their business. There is only one religion, though there are 100 versions of it. Better never than late. No question is so difficult to answer as that to which the answer is obvious. A man never tells you anything until you contradict him. There is no satisfaction in hanging a man who does not object to it. Except during the 9 months before he draws his first breath, no man manages his affairs as well as a tree does. The secret to success is to offend the greatest number of people. England and America are 2 countries separated by the same language. If all the economists were laid end to end, they'd never reach a conclusion. If you must hold yourself up to your children as an object lesson, hold yourself up as a warning and not as an example. Statistics show that of those who contract the habit of eating, very few survive. Beware of false knowledge, it is more dangerous than ignorance. A happy family is but an earlier heaven. I never resist temptation because I have found that things that are bad for me do not tempt me. I am afraid we must make the world honest before we can honestly say to our children that honesty is the best policy. The only service a friend can really render is to keep up your courage by holding up to you a mirror in which you can see a noble image of yourself. Take care to get what you like or you will be forced to like what you get. Power does not corrupt men, fools, however, if they get into a position of power, corrupt power. The only man I know who behaves sensibly is my tailor. He takes my measurements anew each time he sees me. The rest go on with their old measurements and expect me to fit them. Democracy is a device that ensures we shall be governed no better than we deserve. Everything happens to everybody sooner or later if there is time enough. He who can, does. He who cannot, teaches. The test of a man or woman's breeding is how they behave in a quarrel. When a stupid man is doing something he is ashamed of, he always declares that it is his duty. Beware of the man who does not return your blow. He neither forgives you nor allows you to forgive yourself. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Why should we take advice on sex from the Pope? If he knows anything about it, he shouldn't. When a man wants to murder a tiger, he calls it sport. When a tiger wants to murder him, he calls it ferocity. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. Never wrestle with pigs. You both get dirty and the pig likes it. The reasonable man adapts himself to the world. The unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt the world to himself. Therefore, all progress depends on the unreasonable man. Liberty means responsibility. That is why most men dread it. I'm an atheist and I thank God for it. The perfect love affair is one which is conducted entirely by post. Hatred is the coward's revenge for being intimidated. My way of joking is to tell the truth. It's the funniest joke in the world. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.